The Boavan 17-inch rolling backpack is a versatile travel companion, offering a large capacity with 5 zippered compartments and a padded center that can accommodate laptops up to 17.3 inches. Constructed from premium waterproof Oxford fabric and equipped with two-way YKK zippers, this backpack is both durable and stylish, making it a reliable choice for frequent travelers. The backpack features a height-adjustable, smooth aluminum retractable handle and sturdy, silent rubber wheels, ensuring easy mobility across different surfaces. Designed to meet most airline carry-on requirements, this rolling backpack is ideal for both students and business travelers, easily fitting into overhead compartments. The two-in-one design allows for seamless conversion from a backpack to a rolling suitcase, with detachable shoulder straps and a hidden flap to protect your clothes from the wheels. Before purchasing, it is recommended to verify your laptop size and carrying needs to ensure the backpack's fit, as different versions accommodate varying laptop dimensions.